let's start with chapter number 5, that is Judiciary. So let's study about the judiciary. It stands tall as a guardian of justice. It is vital role to resolve disputes by interpreting the law. और ये एक cornerstone है आपके modern democracy का, safeguarding the freedom of individual. So why is judiciary important? क्यों important है judiciary? For settlement of disputes, judicial review, protection of fundamental right and advisory jurisdiction. So what are the settlement of disputes? In society, conflicts over various matters like property, fraud, physical alteration, homicides and theft, they must more often arise. And the judiciary role is to resolve these disputes not only between individual but between citizen and the government. So between the different state government and between the central and the state government. So what is judicial review? It is a situation arise where there is no specific law in place. कि कोई भी एक specific law नहीं है. Right? The authority to access particular law enacted by the parliament if it deems that there is a breach of fundamental structure. Now, protection of fundamental rights. Judiciary safeguard rights of individual and government agency, public servant or state authority obstruct the exercise of people's right. Next is advisory jurisdiction. When executive branch seeks judiciary opinion on matters of public significance. So next, what is independent judiciary? Our robust democracy hinges for the existence of independent judiciary. So in India, if we talk about practical consideration, this has led to separation of judiciary from the legislature and executive. So legislative and executive branch of the government do not have the authority to interfere the judiciary function. So court operate independently and do not act on behalf of the government. और जो separation है ये crucial है, जो क्या करता है, minimize करता है interference from other government, right? और ये किसको safeguard करता है, citizens के fundamental right. Next is the independence is ensured through the following means: security of tenure, financial independence, freedom from criticism. So security of tenure. Once appointed judges cannot be removed from the position, right? Next is financial independence. A judge's salary and allowance cannot be reduced during new term. Freedom from criticism. Judges है वो क्या conduct करते हैं और work करते हैं, they are beyond critical community. Now let's study about the level of court. We have Supreme Court, High Court and District and Session Judge Court. इसमें आपका civil subordinate है, उसमें metropolitan है. If we talk about civil subordinate, we have Munsif Court. इसमें आपका मुंसिफ कोर्ट होता है, इसे हम न्याय पंचायत कहते हैं, और जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट, राइट? सो इन दिस नेशन द सिस्टम ऑफ जस्टिस इज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन थ्रू वेरियस कोर्ट. लोअर लेवल हमारे पास क्या है, इंडिया हैज इट्स ओन हाई कोर्ट एंड अबव देम ऑल इज वन ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. जो आपका कहाँ सिचुएटेड है सुप्रीम कोर्ट? इट इज सिचुएटेड इन न्यू दिल्ली. इट इज द हाईएस्ट अथॉरिटी दैट इज सीन ओवरसीन बाय द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया. जो भी डिसीजन सुप्रीम कोर्ट लेता है उसका ग्रेट सिग्निफिकेंस होता है और लीगल प्रेसिडेंट होता है. दिस स्ट्रक्चर इलिस्ट्रेट दैट इंटीग्रेटेड नेचर ऑफ इंडियन जुडिशरी अलाउ इंडिविजुअल टू मूव थ्रू डिफरेंट ट्रैवल. आप डिफरेंट लेवल, आप भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में गए, आप क्यों नहीं सुनेंगे, आप हाई कोर्ट में गए, हाई कोर्ट में नहीं सुनेंगे, आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी जा सकते हैं. एज एन एग्जाम्पल, इंटीग्रेशन इज सीन इन द केस ऑफ लक्ष्मण कुमार एंड अदर इन इटली. लक्ष्मण कुमार अलॉन्ग विद हिज मदर एंड mother-in-law received a death sentence from trial court for a murder. Later, High Court acquitted them, but when the case reached to Supreme Court, it once again found Lakshman and his mother guilty, right? And brother-in-law was sentenced them to life in prison. Now, different branches of the legal system. So, Indian legal system deal with two primary branches. एक तो इसमें criminal है और civil law. जो criminal law है, उसमें आपका theft, dowry, harassment और murder आ जाता है. When someone is found guilty in criminal case, they can be sent to jail but may not face fine. On other hand, civil law deals with disputes related to harm, injury, property right, divorce and rental matters and more. In civil cases, court provides specific relief requested to the parties involved. Now broadly, we have judicial cases which is categorized into two: civil cases and criminal cases. Civil cases में, criminal cases में आपका theft, dowry, harassment और murder आ जाता है, ठीक है? In civil cases आपका dispute related to property, contract, rent, matters, divorce and other. What is provide is specific relief that is requested by the party involved. Now access to court for everyone. According to the constitution, every citizen of the country, they have right to seek justice through court. The court play a crucial role in safeguarding rights of the citizen and it country as a diverse as India, it was challenging for economically disadvantaged. To address this issue, Supreme Court introduced public interest litigation, which enables poor individuals to easily approach to court and seek justice. Right? The legal process was simplified to extent that even later on telegram addressed to Supreme Court or High Court is treated as PIL. So we have bonded labor and inhuman labor condition in Bihar have been delivered through PIL. What is public interest litigation? So under right to life, Article 21 of Constitution, primarily in context to the midday meal scheme. There are instances where court judgments are received to work against best interests of the common people. Its extended duration that courts often take to hear cases poses challenge, and phrase justice delayed and justice denied, it aptly characterizes this issue. And despite this challenge, judiciary continue to play a crucial role in India's democratic framework. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.